I don't know why I didn't know this, but Hunkydory has a magazine, and with the magazine comes goodies. Well, you would expect that, wouldn't you? This is the very first one that we've had, and I can guarantee you we'll get more of them. So it's called Crafting with Hunkydory, and you can see what's on the front of this magazine. But before we get into this, and by the way, this is a substantial magazine, I'm going to show you what comes with it. And being Hunkydory, well, you know that there are going to be goodies, and those goodies are going to be foiled. And we'll get in a little bit closer to see some of the artwork, so you can see it's just very light colors, quite lovely. There are 35 foiled die cuts, so one sheet there, here's another. Birthday wishes. I love the typewriter. And what could be better than a typewriter that has flowers on it? Really pretty. And we have these flowers. Aren't they lovely? And as you know, these are die cut. They're just going to pop right out, and they're foiled. And you did get that there are 35 of them. Then there is one foiled sheet of cardstock, and this is just beautiful. Again, these are all A4 sizes, so a little bit real close to 8.5 by 11. Now, there are 4 sheets of printed cardstock. Now, this is not the adorable Scoreboard. This is cardstock, and it's a very nice weight, as you can see. So there's 4 of those. You know, our favorite is to cut them apart, use them on the front of the card, or you can use them inside, or if you want to, you can use it as your whole card. Now, we have all of those, and yes, the foiled one is my favorite, and so I'm going to tuck those right over here. In addition, you're going to get some stamps. There we go. There are 6 stamps on this little sheet. So flutter by wishes, sending you lots of love, so you can see what's going on. And this most adorable mini envelope cutting die. So you get the envelope and you get a piece that will go into it. So this is going to measure 1 3/8 inches by 1 inch by the time it's all made. I'll tell you, this is lovely out of vellum, and yes, we have vellum here at paperwishes.com. So all of these, all of the foiled sheets, all of the cardstock, the stamps, the cutting die are all included with this magazine. Okay, what's in the magazine? Well, you can see on the front of it, there's some beautiful things. And let me just show you. Anne-Marie is one of the principals at Hunkydory, and one of the designers. So you can see some beautiful layouts. Let's see, here we go. Now, they will show you in addition, okay, so here are some projects using the contents of the kit. So let me just really show you what, oh, thank you, Houston. So beautiful pieces. She's using acetate on some of them. There's that really cute little envelope, and isn't that lovely? Just absolutely beautiful. Also giving you some sizes and so forth of doing a little book of notes, and that will use that little cutting die. That's what the front of it looks like, the inside, and then the measurements. These are in inches, so that's a nice thing. Then, okay, and so here are even more using the contents of this kit. Isn't that nice? Really, really pretty. The woman is an excellent designer. And then they're also going to go into some other products that they've had. And I do want to point out to you that the Mice to You set is one that we are currently carrying, paperwishes.com. So there are some ideas for that. In addition, yes, aren't they cute? Absolutely charming. Just really, really sweet art. Then these are on the way. And Rosy Reflections is another kit that is currently here at Paper Wishes, and it has alphabets with it, so you can use it, and it's a deep, beautiful rose color. And there's also, so lots of ideas here. And so how to make a stationery set, so that's giving you how to make the container as well as the pockets to hold it. There we go, even more information about all of those. And there is also, here we go, Also, this is the adorable Scoreboard, which we are carrying. How to make stepper cards. So this is giving you some instructions for a card like this that has steps. And that's a really nice thing. And then also even more ideas of how do you do that unique fold of card. And I do think that there are more kits in here that we are carrying, but I'll let you find that for yourself. So crafting with Hunkydory, certainly featuring Hunkydory products, but in addition you get this whole set and that absolutely charming die and those stamps all together for you. And this is exclusively here at paperwishes.com, and you can bet we're going to have more of them.